Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered what happens to your finances if the market drops, if interest rates spikes, or if you lose income? Well, with Empower, you can stress test your money. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Empower for finance stress testing. First point, what it is. Now, stress testing lets you simulate what-if scenarios like recessions, job loss, or big medical bills to see exactly how your net worth and investments would hold up. Next point is why it matters. Now, it helps you to spot vulnerabilities early. Maybe you're too exposed to one sector or your cash cushion isn't strong enough. Third point is how to apply. Now, by adjusting assumptions in Empower's planning tools, you can prepare backup strategies like increasing emergency savings, adjusting investments, or just rebalancing for stability. Hope for the best, but plan for the worst. Empower's stress test feature helps you to build resilience into your financial planning. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.